Cerebration, the art of deep thinking. Imagine a world where your thoughts are so profound they could change the course of history. Today, we're exploring a word that encapsulates the very essence of deep thinking: cerebration. Word type: cerebration is a noun. Meaning, cerebration refers to the act or process of thinking, especially in a highly intellectual or analytical manner. It's the mental activity that occurs when you're engaged in deep thought, problem solving, or creative ideation. Word history: the term cerebration has its roots in the Latin word cerebrum, meaning brain. It entered the English language in the mid-19th century, combining cerebrum with the suffix ation, which denotes an action or process. This etymology reflects its meaning as the action of using one's brain intensively. Antonyms: while cerebration represents active thinking, its antonyms include mindlessness, thoughtlessness, and vacuity. These words suggest a lack of mental engagement or intellectual depth. Synonyms: synonyms for cerebration include cogitation, rumination, contemplation, and deliberation. Each of these words carries a nuance of deep, careful thought, though cerebration often implies a more scientific or analytical approach. Examples used in sentences: after hours of intense cerebration, the physicist finally solved the complex equation that had puzzled her colleagues for months. The philosophy seminar was a hotbed of cerebration, with students engaging in rigorous debates about existentialism and metaphysics. During her meditation retreat, she found that periods of quiet cerebration led to profound insights about her life and goals. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing cerebration with celebration due to their similar sounds. Remember, cerebration is about thinking, not partying. Another error is using cerebration for simple, everyday thinking. It's more appropriate for describing deep analytical thought processes. In mastering the word cerebration, you've added a powerful term to your lexicon that demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of cognitive processes. It's a word that not only describes high-level thinking, but also elevates your own language use to match. By incorporating cerebration into your vocabulary, you show a nuanced grasp of English that's sure to impress in any academic or professional setting.